All right, in the process, after you do your RV, gone on trips and everything, you've traveled, I'm pretty sure you got bug spatter and just wherever, if you're one of the ones like me that don't have a shelter to cover your RV, you're gonna have like leaves and bird debris, bird poop and things like that. So every now and then I like to wash it. This is my first time trying this particular thing here. Let me show you. It's a foam cannon. You see it with people doing car details, but what it does, it connects it to your pressure washer, and it shoots the foam up, and the foam sticks. This particular Mr. Pink, but this particular thing is you hook it to your air pressure, and the foam sticks to it, which allows you a good chance to get your brush and sort of brush. So I'm gonna demonstrate how this works. Let's rinse it down first. No, when you're using pressure washer, try not to avoid your seams around your windows and stuff. You know, you don't want your high power pressure washer to like break up any caulking. So be gentle, be careful when you are around your edges and your seams. And you just see just that quick, just makes your RV look a whole lot better. And also what it does, if you leave it parked outside like I do, under a tree, a lot of times the ants and spiders get up in those crevices and things like that. So it's a good way to sort of wash all that stuff off. And just basically, you want to keep it, it's an investment. You want to keep it looking as nice, as clean as you possibly can. Because, if you let dirt and grime build up over time, dealing with RVs, the main thing is water. Then that's also a good way to test, if you pressure wash, if you look inside, you got some water leaks somewhere else, hey, it's a good sign to help you out. But yeah, I'll leave a link to this. It's called a foam cannon, and I'll leave a link to everything I'm using right here. And I know they're specifically made RV cleaners, but I think it's all basically the same. Some stuff, say to get rid of the black streaks and things like that, but it seems to be working pretty good. Me and my RV.